As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, right? The Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Napoleon Prestige 500. Quite a difference in name alone.
Definitely. The Grill2Go is clearly aiming for portability, and the Phantom Prestige sounds, well, fancy. Let's dive into the specs.
First off, size. The Charbroil has a 200 square inch cooking surface. The Napoleon? A whopping 500 square inches.
Yeah, that's a big difference. The Napoleon is for serious grilling, probably for families or entertaining. The Charbroil is more like a tailgate or camping grill.
Exactly. And BTUs. The Charbroil has a 9,500 BTU burner, while the Napoleon boasts 4 main burners at 12,000 BTU each, plus an 18,000 BTU infrared rear burner and a 14,000 BTU infrared side burner. That's a serious heat difference.
No kidding. The Napoleon is all about searing and rotisserie. That infrared side burner reaching 1800 degrees Fahrenheit is insane. The Charbroil uses TRU-Infrared cooking system to prevent flare-ups.
And let's talk materials. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates, while the Napoleon has thick 7.5mm stainless steel S-wave grates. Stainless steel is definitely more durable.
Absolutely. The Napoleon's overall construction is 304 stainless steel, meaning it's built to last. The Charbroil, while durable for its size, is going to be more susceptible to rust over time.
What about ignition? The Charbroil has a push-button igniter. The Napoleon features what they are calling a flame-throwing ignition.
Right, and the Napoleon also has those cool safety glow LED backlit control knobs that turn red when in use. A nice safety feature and pretty slick looking.
Okay, the big one. Price. The Charbroil is around $150. The Napoleon, well, it's not even currently available, but you know it's going to be significantly more expensive.
Oh yeah, we are probably talking easily over $1,000, maybe even closer to $2,000. These are completely different categories of grills.
So, if you want a portable, affordable grill for occasional use, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 is a decent option. But if you're a serious griller looking for top-notch performance and features, the Napoleon Phantom Prestige 500 is the way to go if you can find one and afford it. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.